Another strategy to consider in this first task of analyzing the problem is to ask what or how questions, like those presented in Table 7.1 of the textbook. Why does the problem? Or how does the problem? Or how does psychology? Or how does sociology? A benefit of asking these what or how questions is that they can help reveal disciplinary bias. Disciplines often prefer certain theories or methods, or they omit certain aspects of the complex problem. A table like this one can help us begin to see some of these biases. It's hard to identify them when we are reading a single article. We collect information in tables to help us keep track of all of it. For most complex problems, a single discipline cannot fully explain it. Interdisciplinarians use mapping to visually depict the problem and its parts. In this part of Step 6, they connect each discipline's perspective to the problem, if they haven't already done so. This step is yet another opportunity to add to and expand upon the information that we've already collected. Here is Table 7.1 from the textbook. It provides examples of some of the what and how questions we might ask about the problem. These questions are set within a discipline's perspective. In other words, each question in the right column represents how that discipline would approach the problem. This table can help you make the jump from an overarching disciplinary perspective to the specific insights produced by the discipline. So use this table to help you create your own version of Table 7.2. Here is an example of a system map. This one focuses on the problem of acid rain. It highlights various components of the problem, its causes and their causes, its consequences and their consequences. It highlights various disciplines as well. We can see here that chemistry, biology, politics, legal studies, environmental studies, and sociology all contribute to the comprehensive understanding of this problem. This problem is caused by chemical reactions that happen during combustion, a process that takes place primarily at power plants. The design of these plants influences the amount of chemicals released into the atmosphere. Power plant design is regulated to some degree by laws, regulations, policies, and so on, all enforced by the government. Existing policies are the result of policy decisions. Decisions that are influenced by the values of a society, of the decision makers. If we want to address the problem of acid rain, it helps to understand the values of each party, each culture, each nation that is involved. Some nations value the environment more than others, and their policies reflect these values. As we complete Step 6, we should revisit the maps we created earlier in the IRP and update those maps based on all the information we have uncovered so far. As you know, this map is yet another tool we can use throughout the IRP to help us visualize complex problems with complex relationships.